My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Coty, C-O-T-Y. This ransomware, by the way, is from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without any troubles or complications. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Coty ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware. The ransomware is called Coty or C-O-T-Y because this COTY is the extension that is appended to the file names. And indeed, the files are all damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware called COTY. The ransomware appends this COTY extension to the file names. So you try to open the specific file and you get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this COTY additionally appended extension. Some people might think that removing this extension manually would fix the issue, but this does not help. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. Combo Cleaner is provided with this anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. We recommend you to consider premium license, and you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Once again, Combo Cleaner, no matter what version it has, does not decrypt files, but you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will lead you to a special article that will give you more information on how to recover your files.